Students, here linear programming problem exercise 12.2. The first question: Reshma wishes to mix two types of food P and Q in such a way that the vitamin contents of the mixture contain at least 8 units of vitamin A and 11 units of vitamin B. Food P cost rupees 60 per kg and food Q cost rupees 80 per kg. Food P contains 3 units per kg of vitamin A and 5 units per kg of vitamin B, while food Q contains 4 units per kg of vitamin A and 2 units per kg of vitamin B. Determine the minimum cost of the mixture. So first we take the mixture contains the x kg of food P and y kg of food Q. Constants will be always greater than or equals to 0, so that we can take here x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. Food P, food Q. Food P has 3 units per kg of vitamin A and food Q has 4 units per kg of vitamin A. Therefore here 3 and 4 vitamin A. In vitamin B column we can see that food P is having 5 units per kg of vitamin B and food Q is having 2 units per kg of vitamin B. So 5 and 2, and it is given that food P cost rupees 60 per kg and food Q cost rupees 80 per kg. So cost is 60 per kg for that food P and food Q 80. Now we have to find out that in such a way the contents of the mixture at least 8 units of vitamin A and 11 units of vitamin B. So विटामिन ए के लिए हमारा इक्वेशन हो जाएगा 3x + 4y ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल्स टू 8. एटलीस्ट मतलब कम से कम 8 और 8 से ज़्यादा. तो यहाँ पे हमारा इक्वेशन जो है लेस देन और इक्वल टू 8 ना होकर ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 8 में आएगा. 3x + 4y इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल्स टू 8 एंड सेकेंड वन फॉर एटलीस्ट 11 units, at least 8 units of vitamin A and 11 units of vitamin B. तो विटामिन बी के लिए 11 यूनिट्स है, तो 5x + 2y greater than or equals to 11. And our objective function will be cost z equals to 60x + 80y. Now mathematically we will plot the graph of these two inequations. Their corresponding equations will be 3x + 4y equal to 8 and 5x + 2y equals to 11. Now we will plot the points. After plotting the points and drawing the graph of these two lines 3x + 4y equal to 8 and 5x + 2y equal to 11, here we can see that when we are going to check our arbitrary point as the origin, so when we are going to substitute the value 0 + 0, 0 is greater than or equals to 8, 0 greater than 8, that is false. It means that we have to shade excluding that origin point as we are doing in class 11th. In the same way the second equation also it will false, 0 + 0 greater than or equals to 11, which is false. That also the shading will be done on the other side of the origin. Now here we can see that it is not a closed graph, it is not a closed region, it is a unbounded region, it is not a bounded region. So we are having the points now A intersecting point B and C. On x-axis we are having the point A, on y-axis we are having the point here 0, 2 and intersecting point B. Now what we do, we just check our values. At 8 by 3 0, z equal to 60x + 80y, b equals to 2 and half 160 and at this point 0 and 11 by 2. We get a minimum value of 160. At two positions we are getting the value of z at this corner points are as follows. Now as the feasible region is unbounded, we have the minimum value 160. It can maybe or may not be minimum. So for this, what we are having the objective function earlier, z equals to 60x plus 80y, that is our objective function. As it is the minimum value, so we can write 60x plus 80y less than 160 because it is minimum. When we make it in the standard form, divide it with 20, 23s are 60, 24s are 40 and 28s are 160. 3x plus 4y less than 8 and 3x plus 4y less than 8 हमारे पास ऑलरेडी एक इक्वेशन बना हुआ है क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग. सो ये जो ग्राफ पहले से बना हुआ है 3x प्लस 4y इक्वल्स टू 8, ये ऑलरेडी एक डार्क लाइन है और इसी डार्क लाइन के ऊपर में हमने दूसरा 3x प्लस 4y लेस देन 8 इक्वल टू 8 का हमने एक ग्राफ बनाया है और उसी को हमने डॉटेड लाइन से शो कर दिया है. मतलब हमारी जो ओरिजिनल लाइन थी पहले वाली 3x प्लस 4y ग्रेटर देन 8 और हमारी जो ए वाली लाइन है 3x प्लस 4y लेस देन 8, ये दोनों कोइंसाइड हो रही हैं. सो द रिजल्टिंग हाफ प्लेन हैज़ पॉइंट इन कॉमन विद द फिजिबल रीजन और नॉट. It can be seen now the cost is minimum at the point only 830 and 2 1 by 2. So it can be seen that feasible region has no any common point. There are too many points, not a one common point. So the line joining the points 2 points 830 to 1 by 2 will have the minimum cost of the mixture will be rupees 160. Now let's move to our next question. Again for the same type of question, unbounded. Question number 9. A diet is to contain at least 80 units of vitamin A and 100 units of minerals. Two foods F1 and F2 are available. Food F1 cost rupees 4 per unit and food F2 cost rupees 6 per unit. 1 unit of food F1 contains 3 units of vitamin A and 4 units of minerals. One of the unit of food F2 contains 6 units of vitamin A and 3 units of minerals. Formulate this as a linear programming problem. Find the minimum cost for the diet that consists of the mixture of these two foods and also meets the minimal nutritional requirements. So let the diet contains X units for the food F1 and Y units for the F2. And constants will be again X will be greater than equal to 0, Y greater than equal to 0. So F1 food, F2 food and requirement. विटामिन ए के लिए 2 foods F1 F2 available. Food F1 cost rupees 4 per unit and food F2 cost rupees 6 minute. 1 unit of food F1 contains 3 units of vitamin A and 4 units of minerals. So 3 and 4. And 1 unit of food F2 contains 6 units of vitamin A, 6 units of vitamin A for food F2 and 3 units of minerals. So 3 units of mineral. Cost of per unit, it is given that 4 per unit and 6 per unit. And also it is given that a diet is containing at least 60 units of vitamin A and 100 units of minerals. तो at least यहाँ पे भी आया है, इसका मतलब ये है कि कम से कम 80 यूनिट्स ऑफ विटामिन ए एंड मिनरल्स का कम से कम 100 यूनिट्स. मतलब 80 से ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, 100 से ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है. इसका मतलब ये है कि हमारा इक्वेशन बनेगा 3x प्लस 6y ग्रेटर दैन इक्वल्स टू 80 एंड 4x प्लस 3y ग्रेटर दैन इक्वल्स टू 100 and our objective function will be z equals to 4x plus 6y. Once again, as you can see, for at least function, wherever the word at least comes, it will be an unbounded region graph and the sign will be inequality sign will be greater than or equal to 3x plus 6y is greater than equals to 80, 4x plus 3y is greater than equals to 100, and constants are already x comma y greater than equals to 0, and our objective function will be z equals to 4x plus 6y. After plotting the graph and shading them as they are unbounded, the arbitrary point will not satisfy the inequations, and we are getting the points A, B and C here. After getting the points A, B and C here, the value of at A we are getting 80 by 3. The corner points of the feasible region are 80 by 3, 0, 24, 4 by 3 and 0, 100 by 3. This is the reason. And when we check in the table, the minimum value comes to be 104 at certain points. And so therefore 4x plus, our objective function was z equals to 4x plus 6y. So 4x plus 6y is less than 104. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में चेंज करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 2x plus 3y less than 52. And when we are going to plot the graph for this equation 2x plus 3y equals to 52, this dotted line is our graph. We have to first find out at least 3 or 4 solutions, 2 or 3 solutions, and then we have to plot the graph for this objective equation, that is 2x plus 3y equals to 52, and that graph will be, that line will be drawn with the dotted lines, and our intersecting point we are seeing of the 3 lines is 24, 4 by 3. So therefore the minimum cost, now it can be seen that the feasible region has no common point with 2x plus 3y less than 52. So therefore the minimum cost of the mixture will be only at the point 24, 4 by 3, which is only the common point for all the 3 graph lines, and there its minimum value is 104. So once again, you can be careful about the graphs while reading out the question. If there is a function question used, at least it will be greater than or less than inequality sign, as the equations here: 3x plus 6y greater than equal to 80, 4x plus 3y greater than equals to 100, and in the previous first question also it is at least क्वेश्चन है. एट लीस्ट वाले क्वेश्चन में कभी भी ध्यान देंगे कि अनबाउंडेड ग्राफ बनता है और इनइक्वालिटी साइन ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू ही होती है. एंड दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज क्लास.